In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not showing problem on any laptop and on any version of Windows. If you just want the direct solution, you can skip to the timestamp shown on your screen. But before that, I'll quickly explain the full situation so you understand what's actually going on and why this fix works. A few months ago, I started facing this issue on my own laptop. The Wi-Fi option would randomly disappear and I couldn't connect to any network. At first, I thought it was just a temporary glitch. When I restarted my laptop, the Wi-Fi icon would come back and everything would work fine for a while. But after some time, the same issue would happen again. Slowly, this problem became more frequent and eventually very frustrating. So I started searching online for solutions. On Reddit, some people said it was a hardware issue with the laptop, while others blamed Windows updates. Then I tried multiple fixes from YouTube. Some people suggested updating drivers, others said to restart network services, and a few recommended different troubleshooting steps. These solutions might work for some people. I tried most of these methods, but honestly, none of them worked for me. Finally, someone suggested a different approach, which was to use an external Wi-Fi adapter. I decided to try it out, and I bought this one. After using this device, my problem was completely solved. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. And no, this is not any kind of paid promotion. You don't have to buy the same one. You can choose any similar adapter from a different brand or with different specifications based on your needs. The important thing is that using an external adapter can completely bypass the issue if your laptop's Wi-Fi hardware is the problem. Now, let me quickly explain what this device actually is. It is a small USB Wi-Fi adapter. You simply plug it into your laptop, and it acts as a separate Wi-Fi receiver. So instead of relying on your laptop's built-in Wi-Fi hardware, your system uses this external adapter to connect to the internet. This is especially useful if your internal Wi-Fi card is faulty or not working properly. So if you are facing this issue where the Wi-Fi option disappears again and again and none of the software fixes are working, this is a simple and reliable solution you can try. That's it for this video. I hope this helps you fix your problem. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using AI, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.